Can I see peekaboo? Say peekaboo, peekaboo. Ready? Peekaboo. Your turn. Peekaboo. I see you. Say, Grammy Mill teach you how to do peekaboos. Peekaboo. Do it again. Say peekaboo. Say peekaboo. Open up, baby. Grandma Mel forgot to teach you the open part. Say peekaboo. Say peekaboo. There you go. Don't, you're gonna hurt your eyes, Mama. There's Peyton. Oh. What's these? Are these peas? Are you eating peas? Yep, I'm eating my peas. Yum. You're a pretty girl. Can we see your teeth? I'm going to say, I have 6 teeth. Let's see. Can we see them? Oh, you're not going to. This is why Mommy doesn't know when you have teeth. There's 4 on the bottom. Can we see the ones on the top? Can we see? Can we see? Let's see. Don't do that. Don't do that. I see. I feel them. I feel them. Can we see them? Let me see. Open your mouth. There they are. There's your teeth. Ah. Yeah. Uh-oh. Are you eating the peas? Okay. Say bye-bye. Can you wave bye? Can you wave bye? You gonna wave bye-bye? Come on. No? Come on. Wave bye-bye. There you go. All right, keep eating.